Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control automatic, FWD. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.